Imagine a world where over 2.8 million people lose their lives each year. Shocking, isn't it? Well, unfortunately, that's the reality we live in due to obesity-related diseases. We find ourselves in the grip of a global crisis, a crisis of obesity. It's a silent and insidious enemy, creeping into our lives, affecting our health and stealing our vitality. The impact of obesity goes beyond aesthetics. It's a major contributor to non-communicable diseases such as heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and even some cancers. The numbers are alarming, with obesity-related deaths reaching millions each year. This is not just a health issue, it's a societal one, affecting our quality of life, our productivity, our longevity. It's a ticking time bomb, a global epidemic that shows no sign of slowing down. But what if there was a way to combat this epidemic? Enter the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet, a dietary pattern native to the Mediterranean region, could be the answer we've been looking for. This is not a quick-fix diet, but rather a lifestyle change rooted in a region where people are known for their longevity and low rates of chronic diseases. The Mediterranean diet embodies the traditional healthy living habits of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, including Italy, Greece, and Spain. The core principles of this diet are simple, yet powerful. It's about consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods, predominantly plant-based, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. It includes moderate amounts of poultry, eggs, cheese, and yogurt, and a focus on fish and seafood. Red meat is eaten sparingly. Olive oil is the main source of added fat, and meals are often accompanied by a glass of red wine. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from those who've experienced its transformative power firsthand. Meet John. 2 years ago, he weighed 300 pounds. Today, he's a different man, thanks to the Mediterranean diet. Transitioning to the stories of real people, we find inspiration and affirmation. Take Melissa, for instance. She was pre-diabetic with high blood pressure until she embraced the Mediterranean lifestyle. Today, she's not only shed 30 pounds, but also waved goodbye to her health issues. She attributes her victory to the rich variety of heart-healthy fats, lean proteins, and bountiful fruits and veggies that the Mediterranean diet offers. Then there's Robert, a busy executive who once tipped the scales at 250 pounds. His secret to losing over 60 pounds? The Mediterranean diet's emphasis on whole grains, legumes, and seafood, which kept him feeling full and satisfied, while also providing the nutrients his body needed. Let's not forget Samantha, a single mother of two who battled obesity for years. She lost a whopping 70 pounds by incorporating Mediterranean principles into her meals. She loved the fact that she didn't have to give up bread or pasta, but instead, learned to choose whole grain options and balance them with plenty of fresh produce. And of course, there's John, who we met earlier. After tipping the scale at 300 pounds, he realized he needed a change. The Mediterranean diet was his lifeline. Today he's 100 pounds lighter and has never felt better. His cholesterol levels have normalized, and he's even taken up running. These individuals, with their diverse backgrounds and unique challenges, all found a common solution in the Mediterranean diet. Their stories serve as compelling evidence of the transformative power of this diet. Each of them, in their own way, has debunked the myth that healthy eating means boring salads and tasteless meals. Instead, they've discovered a world of vibrant flavors that not only tantalize their taste buds, but also fuel their bodies with essential nutrients. These are just a few of the countless success stories. Now let's explore why this diet works. The Mediterranean diet isn't a magic pill, it's backed by science. The Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, is a scientifically validated pathway to weight loss and optimal health. But what makes it so effective? Firstly, it's not about deprivation. The Mediterranean diet encourages a balanced, nutrient-dense approach to eating that nourishes the body and keeps it satiated, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. The focus on whole foods means you're not only consuming fewer calories, but you're also getting a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. The benefits of this method extend far beyond weight loss. The Mediterranean diet has been linked to improved heart health. The diet's emphasis on omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like fish and olive oil helps to lower levels of harmful cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Moreover, this diet also promotes brain health. The diverse range of nutrients, particularly antioxidants and healthy fats, has been shown to slow cognitive decline and protect against conditions like Alzheimer's disease. The Mediterranean diet is not just about living longer, but also about living better. Longevity is another key health benefit of the Mediterranean diet. Studies have shown that those who follow this diet tend to live longer, healthier lives. The diet's focus on fresh, unprocessed foods combined with an active lifestyle contributes to a lower risk of chronic diseases and a higher quality of life in later years. In essence, the Mediterranean diet is more than a weight loss strategy. It's a sustainable, enjoyable approach to eating that promotes long-term health and well-being. It's about relishing the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean while nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods. Now that you know why it works, let's talk about how you can get started. Starting a new diet can be daunting, but with the right guide, it's a breeze. And we have just the book for you. The Mediterranean Diet Weight Loss Solution is a remarkable guide penned by the nutrition expert, Julian Stasu. This book is more than just a collection of recipes. It's a comprehensive tour through the heart of Mediterranean cuisine and lifestyle, serving as a beacon for those seeking healthier living. Stasu's book offers an array of meal plans and recipes that capture the essence of the Mediterranean diet. The meal plans are designed to be flexible and adaptable, allowing you to tailor them to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, the recipes are easy to follow and are brimming with flavors that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. The book also delves into the science behind the diet, explaining why it's effective for weight loss and overall health. It's not just about eating certain foods, it's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes wellness and longevity. The Mediterranean Diet Weight Loss Solution is more than just a book. It's an invitation to a healthier, more vibrant life. It's your passport to a world of flavors, where every meal is a celebration of life and health. With this book, embracing the Mediterranean diet is as simple as turning a page. We've taken the first step towards a healthier life by learning about the Mediterranean diet. This knowledge, like a seed, is primed to grow into a tree of well-being with the right nurturing. If you found value in this, consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly share content on health, diet, and overall wellness, all aimed at helping you cultivate that seed of knowledge into a healthful existence. Now, to put this knowledge into action, I invite you to explore The Mediterranean Diet Weight Loss Solution by Julian Stasu. This exceptional guide takes you deeper into the world of the Mediterranean diet, offering practical tips and delicious recipes. You'll find a link in the description below that will whisk you away directly to this treasure trove of healthful eating. Remember, the journey to a healthier you starts with a single step. Make the Mediterranean diet your first step today. Thank you for staying with us this far. We hope you're feeling inspired and ready to embark on your own Mediterranean diet journey. But don't stop here. Our channel is a veritable treasure trove of information on various diets, exercises, and wellness practices. As we navigate the complex world of health and wellness, we're committed to bringing you the most up-to-date, research-backed information. We regularly update our content with the latest trends in the health industry, from new exercise routines to emerging diets and wellness practices. Our mission is to empower you to make informed decisions about your health, so you can live your best, most vibrant life. We believe that knowledge is power, and we're here to arm you with the tools you need to succeed. So why wait? Dive into our other videos, and let's continue this journey together. Stay informed, stay healthy, and most importantly, keep watching our videos. Your health journey is just beginning, and we're excited to be a part of it.